Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Tuesday, April 21st. I want to go back to Amgen. I mentioned this yesterday in the chart of the day, noting that this stock, first of all, it's a large cap biotech, and those guys tend to be doing pretty well. No matter what biotech ETF you're trading, you're doing just fine. So with Amgen, this thing has been putting in a high base for so long that my suggestion was, okay, the sector's working. There's no real monetary or fiscal policy issues with these biotech companies. They're basically almost the low risk trade, it seems like, with everything that's happening. So with Amgen, my suggestion was that you look at the overall trend, see that the stock has been trading sideways for a while, take a small position before the company announces earnings. And then if the stock not implodes, but if the stock falls because folks are disappointed in the earnings, then average down, there's your position. On the other hand, if the stock moves higher, hey, at least you got some, then go ahead and get the rest. Okay, I think you're probably going to want to get the rest. The stock traded up after hours. Let's look at the intraday chart. Okay, you can see the big move here. That's not huge, but it's a move. It's up a couple percent, 2-3%, but it's not pulling back. So I would say if you're an investor, just hold the stock because it's going higher. If you are an investor, hold the stock. If you're a trader, you probably want to be selling into this a little bit, or at least watching it very carefully, because a lot of times these stocks that push right up against resistance on a gap in this kind of market, they're just few that tend to gap and run. Think about this. This is totally not in the same sector, obviously, but look at JP Morgan. Okay, that company announced great earnings, stock gaps up right into resistance, runs up for another day, and now it's down almost to where it was prior to the earnings report. So this could work that way with Amgen, but what you want to know is this. The report was good, earnings were great, which means that Amgen's going to continue to get bids, which means that Amgen is going to continue to be in the winner's circle up here in the upper right, and that's where we like to be. As long as the stock is staying up here, you want to continue to own this stock, and I think that puts Amgen right in the sweet spot. So, okay, members, over to the strategy session. Oh, and one other thing to everybody, I'm going to be speaking at the Invest Like a Monster conference on Friday, June 26th in my, I guess you could say it's my hometown of San Diego. Again, that's Friday, June 26th. That's going to be at the Lowe's Coronado Bay Resort. I'm hoping that members, and if you're on the free list, that's fine too. You're a member in my mind. We'll get together. I'm speaking on Friday. We'll get together on Friday night, say after the workshop is over and before the VIP get together. So I'll be talking about that as the event gets closer. But put that on your calendar, Friday, June 26th in San Diego, actually on Coronado Island. Love to meet you.